Hi, welcome to another SolidEdge ST7 video. I will try to do the Userwish 7 which I did before in the other programs. Let's start with a sketch on this plane. It might look like something like this. Close it right there. Give it some dimensions. This should be 20. This should be 100. This should be 320. This should be 50. Let's move this over here. This should be 50 as well. This should be so it's already defined. Let me check. From here to here it should be 6.5. From here to here it should be, I think it's 50 as far as I remember, and this should be 50 as well. Okay, and from here to this point it should be 70. Okay, close the sketch and let's make a revolve. Select from sketch, accept it. This should be the axis and it should be 360 degrees, and finish. And I could hide this sketch. So this is my first body. I need another body, so I go to add body. Name doesn't matter, and in this I need another sketch again on not on this one, but where is it? On this one. It's another circle which has a dimension of 114 diameter. Close the sketch, and now I want to make a surface. Go to surfacing and make an extrude with the sketch. Accept it, and it's 210 in this direction, and finish it. Yes, looks good to me. Now I need a tangent plane. I could do it with tangent or with parallel. So let's go for tangent. I want to be tangent to this surface, and the angle should be, let's take a look, 0, and there you are. Okay, now I want to have a sketch on this plane, and okay, that's it. I need some circles and I should remove one of these IntelliSketches, but maybe I can help it like this. I can hide this one, and I can hide that one, this one, and that one as well. So I try to snap on nothing. One circle, another circle, and another circle. Dimensions are 460, 380, and 400. Then I should line up that point with the center point. Okay. And I need a variable which I already defined. I prepared it. It's called pi, and to get the value of pi you need a formula which is atn brackets 1 brackets multiplied by 4. That's pi. I will use it for my dimensioning in the sketch. Okay, let's move this a little bit up. There's a little bit down, or maybe a little bit up. Right now it doesn't matter. The distance between the circle center, if I get it, and this point, and there it is, center point. Let's say it's 190, and I go to my tools, I go to my variables, and this 190, that's this one, should be pi multiplied by 70 divided by 2, and close this one. Good. Now I need some lines. One, another one, and there should be a distance of 190. Okay, I need some more lines. One, and doesn't matter, 2. One dimension from this line to that line. This is 40. And the distance between the center of this circle and this line is 20. Now let's try to move it in more correct positions, maybe like this. And I want to trim. Let's take a look. I don't need this circle. Yeah, that's crazy because it trimmed it completely, and I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this one, this one, these, that one, that one, okay, that one, this one, and I have to remove this line, trim it, this one, that one, and this, that one. Now let's try to make these okay, and already deleted one too much. Okay, now let's take a look. I need some fillets. Therefore, I want to first trim this line, these two, that one, that one, that one. Now it should be possible to make the fillets, hopefully. I need one with 20 right here. Okay, another one right here, one over here, and one with 60 here. Okay, give it the dimensions. That's 60. This one should be 20. This one should be 20. And this one should be 20. This looks nice. And then I need a dimension for this line. But first, so this should be pi multiplied with, I think it's 70. See, this is not possible right here, so just give it a dimension like 219.91 and go to the variables and make this one with a formula which is pi multiplied with 70. Okay. Let's close the sketch, finish it, and now I want to wrap this sketch onto this extrude. That's the idea. First save it, because strange things happens all the time. So let's check it. It's surfacing. I want to wrap a sketch, and the sketch I want to wrap on the surface. So that's the surface, and that's the sketch. Accept and finish. So I wrapped this sketch on this surface. That's great. Now I could hide this sketch, and now I have to trim the surface, sort of. So I go to trim. I want to trim this one with this sketch, and I want to remove this and accept it and finish. This looks nice. Now I have to thicken this. So let's check it once again. Let's save it just in case. I have to change my sketch 10 a little bit and the extrude a little bit, so let's do it first. This should be only 190. Finish it. And now the trim doesn't work anymore, so I will delete it. And the sketch should be different as well, because I missed some dimensions right here, right there, and I need some more constraints, and a line which goes up here, goes over here, and goes down there. These elements should be for construction only. Then I need a tangency from here to here, from here to here, and this line and that one should be aligned as well, and just a dimension here, maybe 50, it doesn't matter. Close the sketch and finish it. Okay, now I could hide this sketch, and yeah, how to proceed. I could try to mirror the wrap sketch. I don't know if it works. I tried. It's a chain. That's the chain. and accept it, and the mirror plane should be this one. This worked. Nice. And now I could try. Yeah, it will not work. Let's trim that surface with first this chain and keep this side. Sorry. Remove this side. Accept it. And the same on the other side. Now I want to... Yeah, but it will not work, I'm quite sure of it. Again, this single, accept, and with that chain, because I will get two separate bodies, and that's will not work. Or oh, it worked. Great. That's more than I expected. So if now I could thicken these both, I would be very, very glad. Let's check it. Let's hide the wrap sketch and the mirrored one. And now I need a new body. So need a new body, add a body, and I want to have this, and I want to make it thicken. Yeah, looks nice. Accept it. 40 in this direction. Okay. And check it out. I could make maybe another one. So I go to add body. Okay. And I try to thicken now this one over here. Thicken. Now select step, single, deselect it, and select just this, and accept it, and make it thick in this direction with 40 as well. And okay, this looks nice. And if I now could make a union of all these bodies, I would be almost ready. So let's check it. Let's make a union between this body and that one here. Accept. This worked. And another union between this one and that one. This worked as well. That's great, really. So what is missing right now? Just a hole in the middle, and I will do it with a cut. Let's make a sketch on the top plane, it should be a circle, and I think the diameter is 70. And close the sketch, finish it, and make a cut with this sketch, accept it, make it through all, and finish, and I'm done. It takes some effort to do this in this program, but after all, I did it. So hope you enjoyed this one. I enjoyed my errors, and see you next time. Bye bye.